Hey guys, this is Jay at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and it's an awesome day out here, which makes it even better. So we just took in this 250 Dauntless. Boston Whaler is known for being the unsinkable legend, which it truly is. This has the 300 power package, which will push this thing close to 50 miles per hour. Let's get into it. Well, the best place to start is at the helm here of this 250 Dauntless. We do have a 12-inch Simrad screen multifunctional display. It already has the VHF, JL audio system. It's top of the line in marine stereo systems. Here we have a 4-position helm seat. You have 2 different positions. I have it laid all the way back, a little more comfort. The one thing about Whaler to remember, they are unsinkable, so the ultimate safety with a boat. I have definitely been out on a 250 Dauntless out of the pass, and it's not always the nicest day. But with it being a Whaler, it handled very well. Everybody felt safe and comfortable, and that's what buying into a Boston Whaler will get you. So here we are at the bow of the boat. We're going to be doing a lot of entertaining. As you can see, they haven't held back on that. You have your cushions here, which can also be taken off, and this could be a big casting platform up here. So it's the fishing and the entertainment factor that they keep in mind. You have a huge box here for storage. This right here is a big deal because the more people you have on the boat, the more stuff they bring. You don't want it in the way. This is a huge storage compartment to kind of get all that out of the way. You do have an insulated box up here as well that can double as a cooler or a fish box when you're catching all your fish up here as well. And then if you're just lounging around, sitting at your favorite spot, you want to get comfortable, it's great for that too. So here I am facing aft on the captain's seat here. This is the perfect position to have it in if you have your kiddos playing out there, everybody's having fun, you kind of make sure everybody's good. One thing about this being a fishing boat, it also has a lot of comfort features too. You do have these seats here with the backrest. If you were going to go out fishing, you can actually pull this up and put the backrest down and take the cushions off, and you have a full casting platform back here. It's a lot of room. You fit 2 people back here fishing comfortably, and then you have your live well here and well-appointed fish box right here under this seat. So this area right here is great for entertaining and fishing. Once again, this is a brand new Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. If you want to come out, check it out. We could take it for a spin anytime, and that's when you'll really know what this boat's all about. Call me anytime or swing by MarineMax Fort Walton Beach.